What are you looking for? Whew. What's going on here is all right, so we're behind the hoppers here.
Shelby last week here.
Good.
What did you think it was hard for? I was like, there's no anything.
Broken up there. You go fix it. What did he say?
How come you take the parking spot? I was like, because, like, I'm like, gentleman goes, because to him, he doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to him about a parking spot. I was like, exactly. I don't care about the fucking parking spot.
Right. These look like more screws and nails.
Yeah.
Have to get up there and see, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does too.
Yeah. Ow. Fucking just hit my head on that bar. Watch out, there's a bar there.